Hi! Today I came with a tutorial on pasta with green zucchini. Let's go fix it. To start, we need a zucchini. Cut the zucchini into thin slices. Chop a medium onion. We pour oil into the pan and put it on medium flame. Put the chopped onion in the pan to fry. Cut the sausage into thin slices. We pour water into a pot and heat it until it reaches the boiling point. Add the sausage to the fried onion. Mix and let the sausages cook a little. We pour spaghetti into boiling water to cook. Add chopped zucchini to onion and sausage and mix. Now the salt. Red pepper. Black pepper. 1 glass of milk. When it reaches this concentration, add the cooked spaghetti to the sauce in the pan. We mix them well. For the special sauce that I used for the spaghetti, it is enough to grate half of a green pumpkin, 1 clove of garlic, and 1 cucumber. After grating, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add salt, pepper, and dry mint. We mix them. Let's go to serve. Pour the sauce on the bottom of the dish and place the spaghetti. And garnish with lemon and green onion. Enjoy your meal.